dapat ano na practice na pina-flatland style. Repetition is key. Pero repetition plus trying to understand what's really happening. As of now, wala pang muscle memory. And I don't do this trick sa flatland. I do it rolling hang 5. Pero ito, ibang iba. You just have to practice it flatland style. I really find it difficult na being centered over the front wheel. I still don't know how to hop the front wheel forwards like that. And pa-backwards din, mahirap siya i-hop. Ang feet ko hindi pa marunong mag-scoop patalikod ng pedals. Marunong maliit. Try ko na lang muna practice yung scooping ng paa patalikod. Hindi marunong eh. Yung right ko na paa, hindi marunong mag-scoop. Ito, patras. Well, it's fun to practice something new. Pero definitely upper body ang kailangan. I still don't have a lot of upper body strength. Kailangan ko ata mag-push up. Pero tamad ako mag-push up. I'll just do this the hard way, using the bike. Isa pa ang dapat ko practicean is nakaganon, mag-balance ang left pa front, pa backward. Oh. So it's true na mabilis na talaga makabawi ng balance. Pag ganun mo sa paa pa front, mag-ano talaga siya, mag-forward talaga yung balance niya. The problem ko na naman is, this is not my balancing foot sa flatland. This is my balancing foot sa flatland. So hindi masyadong marunong mag-balance sa aking left foot. At the same time, once nandito na ako na position, ang body ko mag-sway pa left and right, so I still don't have the hypersense para mag-control ng aking body sa sway niya pa left or pa right. So I need to practice scoop patalikod, handling ng bars kasi wala din strength sa aking front, aking upper body. So madalas naliliko ko ng gano'n, naliliko ko ng gano'n. So wala siyang strength. Iba pag nag-push up, kasi pag nag-push up ka lang sa bars na gano'n, flat. So if you practice here, nagpo-push up ka na gano'n, at the same time yung control mo na pa left and right sa hanay din. So it's better to practice it this way, I think. Number 3 is paano balance sa left foot. Number 4 is yung sway, left and right. It's just day 1. Just a little bit more before it goes dark. It's better to be overshot like that kasi malalaman mo yung dulo ng balance. That's a good thing. I can overshoot like that without getting hurt. Ilang beses na ako ng overshoot? 4 times? 5 times? I need that muscle memory. I find it really uncomfortable pag tinatry kong ganunin ang weight ko. Mas maganda talaga yung ganito ang weight. Naka-force, pa-straight. So case to case basis. Dapat to-control ko yung sway. Once nandito na, gumaganon. Gumaganon, nagsusway yung likod. New things to learn. Maybe I'll give myself siguro 1 month para dito. Not the actual days of riding time, pero siguro 1 month or more, I don't know. Nakakatamad to practicean eh kasi masakit sa katawan. Sakit siya sa katawan practicean, at the same time hindi siya masyadong impressive tingnan. But it's really useful, so yan ang kailangan ko. Perfect ko kaya to? I'm not sure. Let's just see.